Moving in Shawnee, Kansas? In this video, we'll introduce you to 3 Movers, your premium choice for professional moving services in Shawnee. Let's dive into what makes us the best moving company near you. At 3 Movers, we cater to all kinds of moves, from local hauls under 100 miles to long-distance journeys across states, or even cross-country. Our professional team ensures your move is smooth, fast, and affordable. Need help with packing? Our packing services ensure your items, from delicate glassware to heavy furniture, are safe and secure during transport. We use high-quality materials to guarantee your belongings are protected. Got large furniture? No problem. We offer disassembly and reassembly services, making it easier for you to move bulky items without the hassle. 3 Movers is known for being reliable, friendly, and efficient. We're proud to offer a variety of services to meet your specific moving needs. We also understand the unique needs of military families. 3 Movers has helped countless soldiers with their moves across the country. Our team will take extra care to ensure your belongings are safely packed and transported. Ready to make your move? Contact 3 Movers today for a free estimate and experience the best moving service in Shawnee, Kansas. We're here to help you move with ease and affordability.